see about 9.4 G's. And if he weighs, let's just say 200 pounds, that means he's seeing about, no kidding, 1,900 pounds on his body at that point in time. Ladies and gentlemen, was that not awesome?
That was a lot of fun. But I gotta tell you, the whole flight, I've been on the edge of my seat.
What you just saw 5 minutes ago has never taken place anywhere in the world ever before. So we are so very happy that you're here. We're so very happy that you came and made it a great weekend. Thank you very much.